Welcome back to the AlmighTees channel. In this week's episode, we're going to be talking about screen printing on a sublimated garment. What are the issues and how to solve them? Stick around, we're going to talk about that next. So here I am out in the shop. These are the culprit, Sublimated performance tees. The brand is Sport Tech and the line is Camo Hex. Camo Hex line, Sport Tech, sold by Sanmore. One of the telltale signs of a sublimated garment is look on the inside of the fabric. If it's blank, if there is no pattern on the inside but there is on the outside, then you know you've got a sublimated garment. Public enemy number one is the sublimation dye. It releases and has a tendency to penetrate your ink film at a much lower temperature than even dye migration does whenever you're using polyester garments. So what can we do about it? Well, let's talk about a couple of things. One of the first things you can use is you use a barrier base as a underbase, or a barrier gray as an underbase, and then you put poly on top. So you would treat your underbase just like you normally would if you were printing any other type of multicolored design where you had a white underbase. Just in this case, you're using a barrier base or a gray barrier, and it's specially formulated. It is low cure, and it's specially formulated just for these types of situations. So it really does a good job at blocking that sublimation so it doesn't peek through or migrate into your ink film. So what are the other things that you can do with it? You know what I do? I use it as a selling point. I say, hey, you know, if I have to make this a two-color print, that's more work, another screen, it's going to cost you more. And I also say, look, isn't that kind of cool? Isn't it neat how your print now is taken on the same pattern of the camo pattern of your shirt? 9 times out of 10, my clients think it's a really cool way of dealing with a situation like this. And they love it. So why not? Let it do its thing. And yes, we did use 100% polyester ink on this, and it still migrated. I hope you found today's video helpful. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you next time.